Here we go on Waltzer at Awesome Beats. Here we go. Hey, there's no spinners, but here we go. Anyway, that's gonna be good. There's not many rides open today, so I'll try my best to get on as much as I can. I got £10 worth of tokens. Here we go. Hey, oh you way. Whoa. Oh you way. Oh, hey! Holy shit! Way! Put our hands up in the air, let's do it! Awesome Beats! I like the lights on this Waltzer too! Oh, hey! Oh, you way! Very cold day here today at Awesome Beats. Very rainy as well. Oh, hey! Very fast Waltzer as well. Oh hey, oh boy! Oh hey! We've got some good music as well. Good funfair tunes. This also did good with a smoke machine on it, I think. In my opinion, I think. Let me know in your opinion what you think. Oh hey! We've got the screamers as well. That's good. Is that her? I think so. No. Is there more? Is that you? Don't know. I hope we'll get more. Hopefully. Oh no, we're going again. Good. I thought it was finished. Hey, oi! Oh my god, I'm cold. Way! Oh hey, oi oi! This one was £3 if you didn't know already, that's how much it cost me. 3 fun points, £1 a point. I got £10 worth of points. It's a little fun card to use. Oh hey! Oh, we got a good ride as well. Here we go, hopefully we get spinning. Here we go! Cause I'm yours. Sun's out there for YouTube, it's very cold here as well. Cause I love you guys. And we're still going. Here we go. Woohoo! Oi oi! You always got a long time on this one. One in fast and images. Oi oi! Here we go! Oh hey! Oi oi! To the beat non-stop, let's do it! I got some off-ride as well of this one. I'll see if I can get spinning, hopefully. Hold on tight as well. Are we spinning yet? No, we're not. Oh, there we go, I got spinning. No, I'm not going spinning. Let's see. There we go, I'm moving now. That's more like it. I got spinning, good. 4 minutes and 4 seconds so far. Wow. That's what you call a good ride for £3. Oh hey, oi oi. My hands are freezing cold. I'm doing the door jumps next. There's the door jumps, they look quite good. I don't know if you can see what's right here, but there's not many open today. Especially the ghost train's closed, but I never liked the ghost train. The ghost train's rubbish. I'm being honest, don't do the ghost train, it's rubbish. Do the Waltzer because you get a long time on it. If you like Waltzers, then give this a shot because it's really good. Oi oi, here we go again. Wow, a very long ride as well, that's good. For £3 as well. Oh, yeah, here we go. Hey! Oh, you're right. Oh, I've got a good spin as well. No one's spinning me either, just to let you know. So I'm getting a good spin. That's the main thing. I'm with my cousin, I don't know if you see him. My cousin Scott. Go check him out, Scott's Life on YouTube. Go and subscribe to his channel. I'm with my mum as well. They're there. I don't know if you see them. They're there. Oh, you're right. So yeah, make sure you get yourself on this Waltzer if you see it. Hey! Oh, you're right. Wow, this is what you call a Waltzer. A good Waltzer. There we go, we got some new music on. Ah, good son. That was good, I enjoyed that. That was a Waltzer.